2014 Mercedes GLK 250 diesel. I'm going to be replacing the air filter, which is right here, and underneath the engine cover, oddly enough. First thing we're going to do is flathead screwdriver and turn half a turn, pull up on the front, and then pull toward you. 2 little feet on the back, 2 little sockets. Can you see that socket there? One there, one there. And let me put this down. They go onto these 2 little balls on the back, there and there. So air filter is located inside this case here. And the first thing you're going to have to do is pry up a bunch of little clips that are holding the wiring on top. So just flathead screwdriver. You can tell Mercedes has done this before because they did not push the clips on all the way. Why would they want to? So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. And you're just going to pop them all up. These look like they can be pulled up by hand. Yeah, they can. So I guess the dealership, being smart, every time they service this, they just didn't push them. There's no reason to push them down all the way and lock them into place. You don't really have to. The wiring is not going anywhere. Come on. Okay, that should pop up. And that should pop up. That's off. Those 2 are off. That one's off. And now we've got a Torx T20 bit. And there are 7 screws. I won't make you watch me pull 7 screws out. You know what? I'm going to, because I'm going to set the camera down. There's 1, 2, 1 in the middle, 3. You see that one down there? 3, 4, 5. That's why we have to remove the wiring right there. See that one there? Same on the other side. It's under, there it is, under there. And then 2 on the back. This one on the back is kind of deep in there. And a magnetic pickup tool for the screw that I'm probably going to drop. So let me put this camera down and pull all those off. I'm just going to leave this sucker running because I don't feel like editing video tonight. If it will stay there. Come on, tripod. You can do it. Stay. You don't need to take these all the way out, but I'm taking them all the way out because when you're moving a cover around, oops, they tend to drop. No, no, no. This one's gonna be fun. Yeah, makes it a little easier. That was pretty solid in there. I'm going to leave that. No, 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 no. Okay, so I got 6 of them out. And I'm going to rotate top and back. Now this filter, there's a little post coming up the middle that screw went onto, so you can't just pull the filter out. Are you going to stay? Are you? Are you really? So lift and then start to rock it back and forth. It just pushes onto here, but you don't want to pry against anything because it's plastic. There we go. So there's the little hole this post was going up in. Doesn't look that bad. Now there's some stuff in here. Let me I'm gonna blow that out with some shop air back in a sec. I'm gonna cover the air intake with my hand while I'm blowing this crap out. Grab a rag. This filter came with a plug, and obviously we don't want that. And we're going to, oops, upside down. Rotate that down on. Come on, snug up there. There's a rubber seal inside of there, so a little bit of human spit on it should make it push in a little easier. There we go. Make sure the hole is showing through the filter. There we go. That's it. Back together. Make sure you don't have any wires pinched. Stay on there. Something feels like it's not pushing down. Why is the rear of this filter not seating properly? No, it's on there. It's fine. I'm pushing down a little bit on the filter. Well, I put a few screws in. And that is it. That's all she wrote. Make sure to clip the clips back on their little posts. And done. Thanks for watching.